हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 इंग्लिश की सप्लीमेंट्री बुक इट सो हैपेंड का लेसन 2 चिल्ड्रन एट वर्क। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 1 हाउ द कैमल गॉट हिज हम्प की समरी, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम पाठ की समरी करेंगे। In this article, we will be reading Children at Work summary. The author of this story is Geeta Wolf. It is a sensitive story of a boy, Velu, who has run from his house. Velu's father was a drunkard and used to beat him every day. After running from his home, he reached Chennai. Here, he found a girl, Jaya, who took him along with her to her house. Jaya was a rag picker. She arranged food for Velu. She arranged food for Velu and also gave him shelter in her house. Eventually, Velu also became a rag picker, but he decided that he will quit this job as soon as he finds something better. This story revolves around an 11-year-old boy, Velu. Velu can run away from his house as his father was a drunkard. His father snatched away all the money that he and his sister earned up and would beat them. Being fed up with his everyday beating, he decided to run away from home. After roaming around a Konur for a whole day, he got into Kanyakumari Express. He got into the train without a ticket as he had no money. He reached Chennai Central Station. Velu saw that there were a lot of people around who were in a hurry. He could also hear the announcements from the loudspeaker. Velu had travelled in a unreserved coach where people were playing cards and screaming the whole night. Thus he was unable to sleep and was feeling weak. Also his legs were trembling. He was feeling lonely in a new place and sat on a bench. अब हम करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, फर्स्ट, Velu stood on the platform but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? Second, what made him feel miserable? Third, first, Velu travelled without a ticket. Why? Second, how did he escape the ticket collector's attention? Fourth, why had Velu run away from home? Fifth, why did he decide to follow the strange girl? इनका आंसर है, फर्स्ट का आंसर है वेलू हैड रन अवे फ्रॉम होम. बीइंग अ स्मॉल बॉय ही वॉज नेचुरली टायर्ड, hungry and afraid of the ticket examiner. He lay down near the compartment door. He could not get over the feeling that his train journey was over. सेकंड का आंसर है Velu was alone, tired and hungry. He didn't have a ticket also, so he felt miserable. थर्ड का आंसर है फर्स्ट Velu traveled without a ticket because he had no money. Second, he escaped the ticket collector's notice because the ticket collector did not come that unreserved compartment. Fourth, Velu had run away from the home because of the misdeeds of his father, who used to snatch all the money from him and his sister. He also beat the children. Fifth, Velu agreed to go after the strange girl because he was hungry and the girl promised to get food for him. Question. First, can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? Second, if you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. Third, first, what is she referring to? Second, what does she mean when she says, if you are not careful? She says something a little later, which means the same. Find that sentence. Fourth, first, where did the girl lead Velu to? Second, what did they get to eat? Question fifth, what work did she do? Think one of a one-word answer. इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट Velu could not read signboards in English, but he read the Tamil sign on the central jail. Second, first, she is referring to central jail. Second, she pointed out to Velu that doing wrong was not so important as escaping the police or getting caught. The sentence is, you don't have to do anything, just don't get caught, that's all. Third, first, the girl led Velu to a marriage hall. Second, they got some food from the garbage bin. It was leftover food. Question. First, what material are the strange huts made out of? Second, why does Velu find them strange? Question 2. What sort of the things did Jaya and children like her collect and what did they do with those things? Third, is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Give a reason for your work. Answer. इसका आंसर है first, the strange huts are made out of thin sheets, bricks, wood and plastic. Second, Velu finds those huts strange because in his own village the huts were made of mud and palm leaves. Second, Jaya and other children like her collected paper, plastic and glass, etc. They sold all that to a kabadi or junk dealer. Third, Velu is not happy at all. He had never done such a dirty job in his village. Question first, is Velu a smart boy? Which instances in the text show that he is or isn't? इसका आंसर है no. Velu is not a smart boy. He runs away from his home to escape his father's beatings. He felt miserable at the railway station. He found himself alone and hungry. He accepted rag picking because he wasn't fit for any other job. Question 2. Do you think Jaya is a brave and sensitive child with a sense of humor? Find instances of her courage, kind nature and humor in the text. इसका आंसर है yes. Jaya is a brave and sensitive girl. She takes pity on Velu and gets food for him. She herself earned her livelihood bravely by collecting discards material and selling them. She has a sense of humor also. She calls the dirty trickle of water buckling Canal. Question 3. What one throw away the waste may be valuable for others? Do you find this sentence meaningful in the context of the story? How? इसका आंसर है yes. The plastic, the paper and rusty material like sheets thrown away by the people become valuable to rag pickers. They eat leftover food for survival. They sell junk food to some dealers to earn their livelihood. Question 1. How old was Velu when he left his home? Why did he leave his home? इसका आंसर है वेलू वॉज 11 when he ran away from home. He took his risk because he could not tolerate his drunkard father's beating. Question 2. What problem did Velu face when he stood on Chennai platform? इसका आंसर है Velu was alone, tired and hungry. He felt miserable for 2 days. He had eaten nothing except some peanuts. He was penniless and homeless too. Question 3. How did Jaya earn her livelihood? इसका आंसर है Jaya was a small girl who lived in a cottage near a dirty drain. She was a rag picker. She earned her livelihood by collecting paper, plastic, glass and even food from the dustbins and heaps of rubbish. Question 4. What sort of girl was Jaya? How did she help Velu? इसका आंसर है Jaya was a poor little girl, rag picker who carried a bag on her back. She collected waste material from the dustbins. Though small, she was kind-hearted. She helpful Velu for food as well as a regular job as rag picker. Question 5. What problems do millions of poor children face in India? What basic issue does the story discuss? इसका आंसर है This story gives us a picture of children who are bound to work to support not only themselves but also their parents. They can't go to school. They can't play like other children of their age. The story draws our attention to the evil of child labor. Question 1 नहीं, अब करते हैं हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. Question 1. Velu reached Chennai Central. A. To meet Jaya. B. Having run away from home. C. Because he had got a job there. D. To see Chennai. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी Having run away from home. Question 2. The scene of railway platform reminded Velu A. of the village fair. B. of the Kumbh Mela. C. that this city was so different from his village. D. that he was alone in a big crowd. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए of the village fair. Question 3. Velu got into the train. A. with a ticket for Chennai Central. B. without a ticket. C. and was caught by the TTI. D. and got safely to the Chennai Central because he had a ticket. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी without a ticket. Question 4. Jaya recognized at once that A. Velu was hungry. B. she hadn't seen Velu earlier. C. Velu was a run away from home. D. Velu was looking for her. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी Velu was a run away from home. Question 5. Velu had run away from home because A. there was no food at home. B. there was no work in the village. C. he was an orphan. D. he could not stand his father's beating. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी he could not stand his father's beating. Question 6. Velu ran after Jaya because A. he had no idea where to go. B. he had liked the girl. C. Jaya had asked him to do so. D. he wanted to give Jaya to police. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए he had no idea where to go. Question 7. Jaya had to drag Velu to the other side because option A. he was a disabled person. B. he kept hesitating to cross. C. Velu was her younger brother. D. she did not want to lose Velu. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी he kept hesitating to cross. Question 8. What did they do with all the stuff? Option A. sell it to a factory. B. sell it to Jam Bazaar Maggu. C. sell it to Mem Bazaar Maggu. D. sell it to Jam Bazaar Jaggu. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी sell it to Jam Bazaar Jaggu. Question 9. What work had Velu done before? Option A. rag picking. Option B. cow gazing at farm. Option C. in a factory. Option D. none of the above. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी cow gazing at farm. Question 10. What were the huts made of? Option A. metal sheets. Option B. tire and bricks. Option C. wood and plastic. Option D. all of the above. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी all of the above. तो यहाँ पे ये वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 3 द शेलफिश जाइंट करवाऊँगी. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।